Generaltrend.
HUD has been a volatile beast over the last 3 months, with a clear bullish trajectory. Starting at $13.40 on April 25th, it climbed steadily, hitting a peak of $22.80 on July 11th before settling at $21.37 on July 24th. The stock's trading above its 200-day EMA, $18.50, signaling a strong long-term uptrend. Despite some sharp pullbacks, e.g., $15.89 on June 23rd, HUD's resilience and recent push above $21 showballs are in control, fueled by crypto mining hype. Price-volume relationship. Volume spikes align with key price moves. On May 8th, HUT jumped to $14.17 with 10.58 million shares, marking a breakout. The July 2nd surge to $21.08 saw 16.98 million shares, reflecting strong buying. The June 23rd low of $15.89 had 7.32 million shares, suggesting a shakeout. The July 24th close at $21.37 with just 1.41 million shares indicates lower conviction, but the prior day's 4.05 million shares at $21.65 shows sustained interest. Average volume is ~6.5 million, with recent days below average, hinting at consolidation. Moving averages. Here's the moving average breakdown. Short term, the 5-day SMA, $21.48, and EMA, $21.52, are slightly above the July 24th close, $21.37, indicating short-term neutrality. The 10-day SMA, $21.73, and EMA, $21.45, suggest mild selling pressure. Medium term, the 20-day SMA, $20.95, and EMA, $20.76, are below the price, acting as support. The 21-day SMA, $20.79, and EMA, $20.69, align closely. Long term, the 50-day SMA, $19.83, and EMA, $20.18, are well below the price, reinforcing bullishness. The 200-day SMA, $18.52, and EMA, $18.50, confirm a strong long-term uptrend. Technical indicators. Let's unpack the indicators. Trend indicators. MACD, at 1.04, signal 1.21, histogram -0.17, it's slightly bearish, with the histogram indicating fading momentum. ADX14, at 29.93, it shows a moderate trend, supporting the uptrend but not screaming strength. AREN up, 68.0, versus AREN down, 12.0, gives an oscillator of 35.71, favoring bulls. PSAR, at $23.43, above the price, it's bearish, suggesting a potential pullback. Momentum indicators. RSI 14, at 58.40, it's neutral, with room to climb before overbought. Stochastic, Stock K15, 57.00, and D15, 67.96, are cooling, while Stock K5, 45.75, and D5, 38.75, hint at short-term weakness. Williams percent R14, at -62.22, it's neutral, not signaling extremes. MFI 14, at 56.59, it shows balanced money flow, supporting the trend. Momentum 10, at -0.70, it reflects a slight short-term dip. ROC 14, at -2.42, it indicates a minor pullback within the uptrend. Volume indicators. OBV, at 2.41 million, it's positive but flat, suggesting accumulation paused. Chaikin oscillator, at -0.27 million, it shows mild selling pressure. Volatility indicators. ATR 14, at 1.30, it reflects moderate volatility, down from 1.43 on July 10th. Bollinger Bands, upper, $23.67, middle, $20.95, lower, $18.24. The price is near the middle, indicating consolidation. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF, $21.72, is slightly above the July 24th close, $21.37, suggesting HUT is trading near its short-term trend line. The Coral 20 at 1.00 shows strong trend consistency, supporting the bullish bias. Estimated opening price for next trading day. With a July 24th close of $21.37 and an average opening price over the last 5 days around $21.70, the ATR of 1.30 suggests a July 25th opening between $20.07 and $22.67, likely near $21.50, assuming no major news. Low volume, 1.41 million, on July 24th could mean a quiet open unless crypto market catalysts emerge. Support and resistance levels. Support, $20.76, 20-day EMA, $20.18, 50-day EMA, and $18.24, bollinger lower, are key floors. The $18.50, 200-day EMA, is a strong long-term support. Resistance, $21.65, July 23rd close, $22.80, July 11th high, and $23.67, bollinger upper, are hurdles. The $23.43 PSAR is immediate resistance. Potential high and low levels, ATR based. Using the 14-day ATR of 1.30. High, $21.37 plus 1.30 equals $22.67. Low, $21.37, 1.30 equals $20.07 given the July 2nd range of 2.42. A broader range of $19 to $23.80 is possible if volatility spikes, especially with crypto market sensitivity. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. If HUT breaks above $22.80 with volume above 6.5 million, it could target $23.67 or even $25. The RSI, 58.40, and AREN, 35.71, support upside potential. Neutral scenario. Consolidation between $20.07 and $22.67, ATR range, with ADX, 29.93, indicating a stable but not explosive trend. Bearish scenario. A drop below $20.76, 20-day EMA, could test $18.24, bollinger lower, especially if OBV, 2.41 million, turns negative and MFI, 56.59, weakens. Conclusion. HUT's riding a bullish wave above its 200-day EMA, $18.50, closing at $21.37 on July 24th with low volume, 1.41 million. The MACD, minus 0.17 histogram, and PSAR, $23.43, signal short-term caution, but the AREN, 35.71, and RSI, 58.40, keep the bullish vibe alive. Volatility, ATR 1.30, reflects HUT's crypto-driven swings, with the June 23rd dip, $15.89, showing risk. Watch $20.76 support and $22.80 resistance. Traders, play the $20.07 to $22.67 range, and stay alert for crypto news or earnings catalysts. Let's mine those gains.